First thing you're going to do is get your jelly, break it into pieces into a jug, and then mix in with some boiling water. Set that aside, keep giving it a stir to make sure it's melted. And while you're doing that, you're going to line the cake tin that you're going to bake the cake in with some cling film or plastic wrap. Then just wait for the jelly to cool down and we'll pour it into there. To help the jelly cool down a little, I've added some cold water as well, once your jelly cubes have melted of course. And then it's into your cake tin. That's going in the fridge until it sets, at least a couple of hours and preferably overnight. Take your jelly mould out of the fridge when it's been set. Once you've got your jelly mould out of the cake, it's time to slide it onto a plate. And then to get it onto the cake, you don't want to be lifting it like that because it falls all over the place, because obviously it's wobbly jelly. If it does do that, it doesn't matter because you can put it in the cake anyway and hide a multitude of sins. But the best way is to put the base onto it. And then we're just going to flick it over.